Right out there, bitch, man. What's up, YouTube? Y'all here, man. The race car crunk. We up, looking ugly. About to run out here to the paint shop. Drop some parts off. Just vibe with us, man. Yeah, we'll be right back. Rolling?
Yeah.
What up, YouTube? And hopefully this is probably gonna be the last ride, one of the last rides we take with this little, with the 5.3. Y'all see. It does run. Me and the kid, we debating if we're gonna keep it or if we're gonna sell it. If I sell it, the only thing will be lacking is the headers and the carburetor won't go with it. But we ain't made our mind up yet, man. We don't know yet. We just vibing. We're gonna take another ride in it before the 5.7 gets in there, man. Before we get ready to start swapping this thing. That's what we doing today. That's what we on. Yeah.
Yo, I just didn't know, bro. You caught me off guard. I didn't know we was filming today.
Yeah, we filming today, nigga. One of the last rides in the shit box, man. But with the 5.3 in it.
Yeah.
Like I said, might sell this.
Not the car.
Nah, hell no, not the car. The motor.
I realize they caught that ladder inside too.
Yeah, it's a little loud. It's a little loud.
Dang, they caught a ladder in the brick.
But on the inside,
Yeah.
yeah, she was nice. Everybody here, boy, that thing sound good. They don't know them motherfuckers slow as fuck.
Yeah.
Slow as a motherfucker.
We ain't trying to get caught at the red light.
You get around. You know what I'm saying? Get around, they ride.
Yeah.
Like do for somebody that's trying to ride. Goddamn heat show no work. I know that. God dang.
Yeah.
Woo!
The one thing my car ain't got, y'all, my race. I guess it's a race car.
Yeah, your race car.
It ain't got no heater, AC. Ain't got none of that. Just all motor. That's it.
Straight.
Lucky I got a power steering pump on there.
Yeah, for real. You got power steering and alternator.
She almost turned off on me when I was backing out the yard when I turned the steering too hard.
I heard. Dominic K was squealing them on.
Yeah.
She acting like an old lady today. Like her knees hurt or something. Like he drove me in a minute. Need to watch this motherfucker. But yeah, man, that's what we got going on, man. What we doing?
Better get back with y'all.
Yes, sir.
Shake it. Alright.
Sideways over there. Here y'all go, man. Y'all be asking all the time. This my motherfucking paint, man. You hear me? You respect everybody else that's out there, but you know, you like who you like, you shop who you shop with, you do what you do. This thing here got a funky ass peachy pink pearl, the metallic, it's jumping out this bitch. You hear me? Yeah, man. Real short clip. Something fresh out the book. Here y'all go, man. Well, what up, YouTube? This is about to conclude.
Gotta get my final ride in soon.
Yeah, this is about to conclude the last ride in the shit box before the swap. The kid said he had to get him a little bit. Slow ass motherfucker. This motherfucker slow, man.
Shit ride though.
Yeah, it ride damn good, man. Like I said, man, we think about selling the 5.3 that's in it, man. You know, somebody might want it. Rebuild it, do something with it. We'll probably let it go for the low. I say it won't come with no carburetor, won't come with no headers.
No transmission either.
Yeah, no transmission either. We're keeping that. Just the motor. Yeah, man, and that gonna conclude this YouTube video, I believe. I don't know, I might walk around the car one more time. Yeah, they ain't seen the car that gonna